What is up, you guys? Welcome back to Chiq Blend.
My name is Richenza Marie.
And I'm Qui, and we have a requested video from Naisha1 on Instagram, and she wants to know, what bags are we wearing lately? So if you're interested to know what bags we've been wearing for the month of February, keep watching.
So Qui is going to kick hers off because she has 3 that she's currently rocking the most, and I have 2.
Okay, so let me start off with the one that I've worn the absolute most this month, and it happens to be my Gucci Dionysus in the medium size. This is like a large size.
That thing is beautiful.
Listen, this bag is absolutely spectacular. It is one of my favorite bags.
I can hold it for you.
It's absolutely beautiful. One of my favorite bags, and honestly, if I could get another one, I would.
And with this, oh, it feels kind of heavy. You said that it's your like when you rock every day. Is it heavy for you?
It is heavy, but
baby, that thing is nice. So does it fit everything that you need on a daily basis?
Everything that I need on a daily basis, plus more. I don't have to downsize at all, and typically that's what I like in a bag. And this fits the bill, honey.
And does it go well with everything that you wear?
Yeah, it's pretty neutral.
Oh, cool.
And the only thing with this bag is I wanted it in the cream color or the brown color. We'll post it here. The camel instead of the black, but I knew the black was going to be more practical, so that's the bag that I went with.
Alright, and so the bag that I currently have been rocking the month of February is none other than my Gucci Marmont in the size small. So this baby, black and gold. I usually wear it, as you guys can see, black and gold accessories. It is my favorite combo. So the reason why I've been rocking this so much is the month of February, we really haven't been doing too much. So this is like my toss around purse. I go to the movies, I go shopping. I really don't care what I do with it, and it doesn't.
And it's so sad because it's such a beautiful bag.
It is, but it's like, it's my everyday purse. I absolutely love it. It fits everything. The interior is beautiful, and the outside is really nice. I can dress it up, I can dress it down, and I take it everywhere. This makes for a great crossbody.
Yeah, it does.
So the taller ladies, crossbody it is.
She got you. Oh, does it fit all of your essentials?
Yes, it fits all of my essentials. I usually have my little Gucci velvet bag. I don't know where that thing is, but yes, I'll have that included with everything that I wear. So yep, it fits everything.
So my next used bag is my Saint Laurent Sac de Jour in the baby size. Ooh, and I usually use it. This is actually the bag that I'm wearing now, and it comes with a pouch in the middle to kind of like separate the basically make it into its own separate compartments. I always take it out because yeah, I don't like it. But let me show you guys what I have in there. I have currently the strap, which I really don't love the strap. I kind of think it's flimsy for the price. Yeah, they could have did a little bit better, but I have the strap, which I don't use, some gum, YSL wallet, my Louis Vuitton keys, toiletry pouch 19.
That's nice. I like that.
I love it. Some tissues, more gum, and some lotion. So it fits all my essentials, baby.
It fits so much stuff in there. And it's black, like the black and silver, so I can see that going with everything.
It goes with everything. I've just been wearing this out. It is literally the best bag ever. It's the perfect size. Not too small, but not too big. You can wear it to dinners. It doesn't take up a lot of room on the table. You could definitely wear this to a concert. It's really a nice bag. I love it.
And then with the straps, do those ever bother you since they stay up?
No, because like you see, it just opens, and then you can pop open these right there in the front, kind of like widen it a little bit. So yeah, it's perfect. I love this bag.
I love that.
I want it in every color. I want it in pink, I want it in red, I want it in blue, I want it in green.
That is nice. I love that. And it's like Saint Laurent always have the best quality purses.
I love Saint Laurent. Like literally, it's becoming one of my favorite brands next to Louis Vuitton and Chanel.
Speaking of Chanel, my favorite that I have been rocking so much It is the Chanel Statement Flap. And baby, it is a beautiful. Again, it is the gold and black hardware. It's like my essentials, the things that I have on a daily basis fits in here, and it is perfect. As you guys can see, the gold and black strap.
I love that bag.
Yeah, it's just so pretty. And then usually when I go out to dinner, things like that, dates, I usually pick this one up. I have like the type of look that I like, and the gold and black is what I love.
She love it. All her bags be gold and black.
Well, you like what you like.
You like what you like. And that's what I say. Like, people usually ask, like, should I get, you know, a red bag because I only have black? No, get what you like.
Yes.
Because you won't get that red bag, and guess what, girl? You ain't going to wear the bag. And it's going to be a waste of money. You're going to be so mad at yourself. And you still going to sell that bag to go get a black bag.
True.
Okay, so for me, last but not least, the bag that I'm wearing the most is my beautiful Fendi Python Peekaboo in the mini size.
Breathtaking.
This bag is absolutely beautiful. The only thing I don't like about this bag is that the scales are coming up, which the scales were kind of coming up when I got it.
It's such a beautiful bag.
I love this bag. It is gorgeous.
I don't see too many people with this color or the material.
Yeah, this green is literally, like, when I seen this bag, it was one of the most beautiful bags I had ever seen. And literally at the time I was in school, so I could not afford to get this bag. So my sister was like, one day it was like my birthday, and she was like, well, give me X amount of dollars. And I was like, what she need this money for? So I gave her the money she asked for, and she ended up putting in the rest of the money and getting me this bag. So this bag, girl,
I'm such a good sister.
Bomb. So those are the bags that we are currently rocking in the month of February. If you have any more requests, leave them down below, just like Naisha 1 did, so you can get your video out there into the universe.
And also, guys, for our question of the day, what purse are you currently rocking the most? Put that down below, and we will see you guys next Thursday. Make sure you guys thumbs up and subscribe and hit the notification bar. Alright, you guys, we will see you next week. Don't forget to stay chic. Chiq Squad.